guys, today I'm gonna be making like I saw this on YouTube, but I'm gonna make mac and cheese in the microwave. So you have to have a bowl of noodles. I have to go put water in it. Top 3. Okay. That's my sister Bree. Yeah.
They might know me.
You have to put it in for 2 minutes. Two minutes, guys. We'll be right back, guys. It's literally almost ready. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let me have this here real quick.
I thought you were...
I got it. Oh, big up over there. Is it hot? I don't know if it's cooked. Where's the fork?
Oh my, is it cooked?
No. Okay, we have to put it in for like 2 more minutes, I think.
Well, why, do you have to put water in there? That's so gross.
I think it might be good. We'll be back in 2 more minutes. Yeah.
Ow, my leg! Now cool down.
Okay.
Let's let it...
Jesus.
We'll get that with... And don't slip it. Do not break it. Do not break it, Will. You're going to mess it up.
Now it looks like it's ready.
Let me see.
One cup.
Oh, it does look like it's ready. Looks good.
Yeah, it's ready, guys. So now, guys, we gotta strain it. So I'm gonna get a strainer. The strainer's up here. Just be with them for a second. Where's the strainer at? Here it is. Got it. Hey, Bree.
Got it?
Yeah. So yeah.
Oh, you scared me. That you're going to... Oh!
Okay, guys, come. Bree, can you bring them over here? Bring it over here. Okay. No, over here. I have to.
It's hard.
Maybe just hold it.
I have to hold it. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put it. Okay, Willie.
Yeah. Please stop screaming.
Keep falling.
Okay. Okay, so we have the noodles. Let's pull them. So we have the noodles, guys. Guys,
Careful.
Look, Bree, I want to show them it. If we have the cooked noodles, I think. Okay, now they look good for now. So now all we need to get out. Still burning. It's fine. Bree, move. Can you get down?
Yeah.
Just move.
I can't. Oh.
Hey, move. Let's go for a little bit.
I'm getting an orange.
Over there for a little bit.
No! Okay, I guess we with that then.
Okay, bye.
Let me open the orange first.
Okay, this.
Tell me when you're done with my iPad, okay?
Okay. Okay, so we have to put this back in the bowl.
I just got so bad.
There we go.
I'm gonna get a
Now we have to put the milk. Leave me on the counter, guys. My dad just came in. So you pour the milk in it. That should be good enough milk. And then you put, huh? Just watch it on the girl. I'm just done with the rest of the cheese. There's not that much cheese in.
Oh, she's in. Come on! Okay, there.
Yeah, that's my cheese. Okay, so I'm gonna put this. Okay, we're gonna warm this up. Okay, we'll see you in 1 minute. Fork and mix it. I forgot about that.
so I'm gonna put the milk.
Guys, it looks like it's coming together. That doesn't look too bad. Put it right here. Put it the rest of the time. Oh. There we go. We'll see y'all when it's back here. We're gonna see if it's ready.
I'm gonna eat my oranges. I'll have a little.
I think we might have to drink them really well. I don't know if I put too much milk or not. So this is how it looks right now. It looks pretty good. Whoa. Whoa. Do you think I should take out the milk or do you think that's good?
I think you should take out the milk.
Okay. Actually, I'm going to keep it in there.
Oh, that looks good. You should not.
Okay, guys. I'm going to try it right now.
That looks good.
That's actually really good.
Can I taste?
Yeah, in a second. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.